In this video, we will show you how to measure distance on Google Maps. In this video, we will show how to measure distance on desktop using maps.google.com or google.com/maps, and also we will show how to using Google Maps application on Android. Okay, first, if you're using desktop, we suggest you to enable the satellite view. After you open maps.google.com or google.com/maps, just click on the bottom left corner and activate the satellite view. Because satellite view is clearer, then, for example, we need to find what will we to go in here. Okay, for example, we want to go to Empire State Building. Okay, in the West 34th Street. Okay, and in here, after you find the location you want to go or to visit, just click the directions, and from in here you can find the starting point or starting location you want to go to Empire State Building. For example, in here, let's go to from Manhattan. Okay, Manhattan Bridge, for example, and you successfully measure the distance in here. You can see there there is two mode transportation using car and using train in here. You can see 4.2 miles if you're using car and using this route. You can also make the screen is bigger. Okay, if you want, actually you can also try to using another route. For example, if you click like this, you can using another route in here, but you can just using default route from Google Maps. It's better if you don't know how to go, and this is approximately need 19 minutes to trip from Manhattan Bridge to Empire State Building. Okay, you can see there from car we have 4.2 miles, and in the second approximately 4.1 miles, and using train is 22 minutes. Okay, you can click this, and this is the measure the distance. Okay, you can also reroute if you don't like the suggestion by maps.google.com, just clicking like this. Okay, and of course we will show how to do that on the smartphone. For example, we need to go to Empire State Building. Okay, just type Empire State Building like this, and for example we need to go to Empire State Building from Wicksville Heritage Center. You can click directions. On the smartphone, the satellite view will not show until you using the start location and you have the destination. So in here, using start location using Wicksville Heritage, and after that you can click this icon to enable satellite view. Okay, you can see there, then you can activate the satellite like this, and from default the Google Maps on smartphone is just using image like this. Okay, so you can enable the satellite view to easier. You can see there on the smartphone, the Google Maps from Wicksville to Empire State Building is 8.2 miles, and you have a suggestion about car transportation, train, and you can also just walk if you want also. Okay, if you walk, you need to take a time 2 hours 21 minutes. Okay, and many available transportation in here in the uh, version of smartphone from Google Maps. But to measure the distance, you need just to select starting point and the destination. Then in the description in here, you will have the measure the distance. Hope this video helpful for you.